Hello and welcome to this HowTech video tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to add a secondary axis to a chart in Excel. So here we have our chart, pencil sales, and we have two lines here corresponding with two different sets of data. And as you can see, this orange line is really flat. We aren't getting much information out of it just by looking at the chart. And say we wanted both these lines to be on the same chart, we'll just throw in a secondary axis to graph this line on. Just select it directly, right click it directly, and hit Format Data Series. And over here we'll click Secondary Axis, and that will insert a secondary axis for us to graph that orange line on. And if we click that axis directly, let's see, make sure it's selected directly. Looks like it is, not visually at least, but here we have it. Change that color, just make it a little more visually appealing, and make sure the viewer knows exactly what axis corresponds to which line. This has been a HowTech video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.